But today we're gonna pick up Anthony's engine from the shop, as well as drop off his heads to get a valve job and resurfaced and stuff like that, and cleaned up and all that stuff. So when he gets his heads back, they should look damn near brand new. Oof. I gotta park real quick and I'm gonna show you some of these cars. Hold on, you're back. Right there.
Okay, so the new billet shit we put in there, it gives you a castle nut. A castle nut is a nut that's squished on the corners, like a nylon nut. So what that is typically a nut and bolt, it's tight.
Came with the Build My RS.
This one
coming soon. Coming soon.
Okay.
Who are you picking up the engine for?
My
cousin.
Your cousin?
Anthony? Frankie?
Yeah.
He's buying the engine from us.
It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet.
Yeah, you're local, right?
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay.
I'm more local than Anthony is.
Yeah. Yeah, I told him to call him when it's all pulled in up front.
Yeah, nah, Saturday, he's like, hey, are you available to pick it up? And I was like, oh shit, okay, it's ready.
Marshall wants you to
and also, he told me for yesterday, and I was like, ah, yeah.
Sorry for interrupting. That 2 liter, the built 2 liter, we didn't get that pulled up right yet. Yeah. His cousin from Maryland sent him up here.
Okay.
Even though, well,
why don't you take his information so we can call him?
When it's ready?
Get it out of where it is.
Yeah.
And we can do this during normal business hours.
So apparently the engine is not ready. I don't know, but it's not ready, so I guess I get my information, so I don't have to wait until they call me. So next time you see this, I probably should be picking up the engine, so I'm just gonna like use some YouTube magic and just like, I did bad at recording when we was picking up the engine, so we didn't really get the footage. But this is my cousin Ant. Say what's up, my gang.
Yo, what's up? Shit, man,
You can't open anything now. You should open it on camera. What is this?
I'm just taking that out. I'm pretty sure that's the water pump. No, not the water pump, oil pump.
Alright.
The water pump's with the...
What are we doing here today?
We're about to go ahead and get this engine built.
For what?
To drop in my car, because I need one bad.
He snapped the timing belt on his 04 WRX, and he didn't put a new. Oh shit! I almost tripped. Well, here's a new engine that we picked up, fully built. ARP 2000s. I'm pretty sure some Brian Crowder cams. You know, whole 9 yards. I'll show you more about it when we take it off and put it on the stand. So let's get to it. I'll catch back up with you guys in a little bit. Little divot
right here.
He's not trying to fuck up his brand new
not
block.
even. I barely want to touch this shit right now.
Word?
I barely want to touch it. not even gonna lie to you.
Not the Crocs, bro.
And sport mode.
Let me grab the other side. Oh, you gotta push it my way. Like, push it forward. There you go. Alright, so here it is, guys. 2.0 fully built. I'm not really sure what the specs are on this because you got it from a shop. So,
and first the story was
so,
it was supposed to.
Hold on, let's let him enlighten us on why he needs this block for his 04 Subii. So here, let's hear the story. Go ahead.
Alright, so first, right, I was driving my car. You know, I'm not even in boost yet, right? I'm just driving. I try to hit boost. I'm like, all right, it's not. I'm getting like 2 pounds, and that's with my foot to the fucking floor. Nothing. All right. So I'm like, all right, cruise control. Next thing you know, time belt snaps. It just cuts off. I'm like, what the fuck? So I'm trying to turn it. Nothing. Like, all right, stuck on the side of the road. Pop the hood. I'm like, I ain't got none of my tools on me. I'm thinking, shit, well, I ain't hear nothing. I ain't got it. And it sounded like it exploded, so I'm like, that's a good sign, right? Like,
let's just say Anthony's a very firm believer in spirited driving, you know? I gotta run back down to the house because I forgot to get like the timing belt and other things like that, so we gotta go run and grab that, and then we should shoot back up here in a little bit to fully put this car together. But and I gotta go fix somebody's Del Sol real quick, so I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. It's weird, but I'm pushing the clutch in. Does not want to go into gear. It's in neutral. Let's see what's going on here. I know his clutch cylinder is really small. Shit don't want to go in the fucking gear for some reason. It's like now it's going in the gear, but let's try this one more time. If it goes in the gear now, it's in neutral. Yo, what the hell?
Your call has been forwarded to it.
Damn near 2 years ago. Never hooked it up.
It's not everything we need, but some of the stuff that we need.
I got a fucking hole in my shorts. That's some bullshit.
The whip for today.
Not gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
They did not come with. Oh, they didn't come with bolts.
I've never purchased one before. You gotta make sure you pull these out and tie these back in.
Oh, man. They didn't come with the bolts, bro. That's stupid.
It's alright, we got mad bolts for a reason. But still. So yeah, we gotta make sure we take these out, and because they like to back out, and we're gonna red Loctite them back in.
Alright, give me a fucking screwdriver. Shit.
He said screwdriver.
What's up? You said, can I do what? What you're talking about, brother?
I said where the mask is, you gotta pull the lever.
Oh.
Wait, if I move my light, it will flood my light.
I might flood your light.
Alright, here, I'll do it. I'm gonna show you, look. Just push it up, but I'm gonna do it real quick. Okay.
Spun bearing out of fucking shit.
You don't have to hot tank that.
I'm going to. That's what it looks like. That sounds like more money.
I missed the crash. You missed it. Anthony spilled. He fucking flooded that shit with brake clean. Took off the drain cap and then flipped it over and fucking shit everywhere. Just to build this built block. Y'all can see right here. We got some spicy shit going on here. I don't know if y'all can see that. We'll show it. Alright, let me try and get close for you guys. Rides, my mans. Tough series. You can see that. Manly rides. How much power we about to be pushing on this motor?
Maybe 500.
Let me see. Show the camera that. How much you pushing?
A cool 500. Cool 500.
See how long this lasts. That's his daily power.
Yeah, we gonna see.
Sorry. It has a spun bearing, so you get to rip everything down. He wants to reuse the oil pan. What the fuck was that?
Yo.
Will you slip this side?
Yo. Got his water out there. I came in here trying to take a step. Knees buckled.
That's why you won't catch your Crocs in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, you're right, bro.
He over here BMW in it over here. You know, this is a Subaru shop. You do not see the Subaru.
Almost ended up like PG, bro.
Best generation of Subaru right now.
Huh?
Best generation of Subaru.
I may be a little biased.
Alright, on the board right here. Best generation of Subaru.
You know what I'm gonna say, right?
What you gonna say?
It's a GD, bro. It's a GD.
GD?
It's a GD.
I fuck with it. The best generation of Subaru. I'm a little biased too. Is the BP5 best generation? What's the BP5?
BP5 isn't that your wagon?
Legacy chassis.
Exactly.
Feel me? BP5 is the best. One of the best. I think my top 3 would be GF8/GC8. Same shit. Not same shit. One's a wagon, one's a hatch, and one's a sedan or a coupe. And then
I'm learning that he loves his wagons.
I do. I can't lie. I love my wagons. I'd be trying to look at sedans. I'd be like, yeah, I'm gonna get a sedan. And then I look at a sedan, and I'm like that sedan back there, Legacy sedan, and I'd be like, yeah, I'm gonna get a sedan. And then I see a wagon robot. I'm like, I want a wagon. I want a wagon like the W. I can't say that right now. Y'all can't know about that yet. You know what I'm saying? The car that I want to get, I'm just gonna take that out. But I saw the sedan version and I saw the wagon version. I'm not telling y'all what was coming, but
I didn't even know they made them shits. That shit.
Yo, say word, bro. Say word. Look, did you know?
I didn't even know they made those. I'm not gonna lie.
Say where they everything look fire though.
They do.
Out.
They do. Now you know. Got me thinking maybe a wagon might be the move.
Nah, chill. You can't be. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you get a wagon, that should be crazy. But
no, I need a family car soon.
Family car.
Family car. That's
You got something in the works you don't know about?
Maybe.
Maybe.
This
nigga popping shit up.
See this. My dad see this. Hey man, don't worry about it. Don't think too much about it.
You got it under control?
Got it under control.
What's up, guys? We're back at the shop today. Unfortunately, we couldn't time the engine, so we're just gonna put water pump, oil pump, and we're gonna torque down the head studs because they only had the first sequence done, which is 30 foot-pounds. If you guys wanted to, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know what the sequence is. I do know, but not off the top of my head. But I have the ARP instructions pulled up right here. So as you can clearly see,
60.
I'm sorry.
This shit looks like a 50.
That's 50, yeah.
You need 60.
Yeah, so it's 50, and then you find 10 down here.
Oh, that's gay.
So
fuck.
You go 1, 2.
So like that.
3. Yeah.
Is that how we know it's?
Yeah, it locks in. So just 1, 2 right here, 3. I believe. Oh, sorry, 4, 5, 6. So just recap off the instructions. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you do all of them at 30 foot-pounds, and you do the second row again.
Nah,
60
bro.
foot-pounds.
That's exact. All right, yours is right. Never mind. I'm tripping. My shit had 5 and 6 flipped. So all right, it's cool.
All right, just to recap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything goes to 30 foot-pounds, and then you go the same order again. Everything 60 foot-pounds, and you do the same order again. Everything 90 foot-pounds. When you get to 90 foot-pounds, it might be a little difficult to do it by yourself. So having someone else here to hold the block or hold the stand, just put a foot right there while you torque it is good, you know. Keep the shop shoes on or have the Crocs in 4-wheel drive, you know what I'm saying?
4-wheel drive just like my cars, you feel me?
Alright, so let's get it done. I'm gonna set the camera up and then we're gonna do a little time lapse of this torquing.
Let's get it.